I'm Buck. I want to introduce you to this beautiful downtown condo in Toronto, luxury living space. Check this out. Alright, we come in and we see the guest bathroom. That's the first thing. Beautiful. We've got the open space area with the kitchen and living room. Look at that beautiful kitchen. Take a close look at this huge sink. Beautiful living space. First bedroom, which in this case is a home office. Can't show you too much of what's going on in here, but it's a very, very nice space. We've got a second bedroom. In this case, it's been converted into a work area. And we come back out into the living space. Kitchen. Oh, look at that. Looking out into a beautiful patio. And let's go over to the master bedroom. First of all, let's take another look at this space. Okay, take a look at the master bedroom. Nice, with its own access to the huge outdoor patio. And what do we have here? We have the master bathroom. Back into the bedroom. Once again into the nice open space. I hope you like that little tour, and wow, check this place out.